Violaceous, now you should answer. मैं पूछूंगा, मैं आंसर नहीं बताऊंगा. Violaceous papules, polygonal skin lesions which are flat topped. 2010 वाला question. What is your answer? Lichen planus. Melanoma. What is the wrong thing about melanoma? Reticular dermis में क्या होता? Papillary dermis का क्या होता? Invasion. Papillary is 4th. So option B is correct. Then tumor thickness determines prognosis, वो भी correct. And it can regress because the immune response. Then if the nodular has good or bad prognosis? Nodular has a good prognosis. So that is the accept about it. So Clark staging, Breslow staging, you must be good. Who has the worst prognosis? Acral lentiginous melanoma is a variant which has got the worst prognosis. What you are seeing here is an example of a nodular melanoma. Nodular melanoma represent 10 to 15%, and the lesions are symmetrical. Then is what you need to basically appreciate. Then what is the most common physical urticaria? Most common form of physical urticaria. Dermographism. अगर एक स्केल लेके थोड़ा प्रेशर करे तो आप जो नाम लिखना है लिख सकते हैं आपके क्लासमेट्स का. So वो physical urticaria is due to not love at heart always. It can be due to dermographic response to an urticarial fiancé. Then worldwide, what is the most common cause for the contact dermatitis? निकल. क्यों निकल? क्योंकि पूरा ऑर्नामेंट्स के अंदर निकल रहता. Berlocks dermatitis it is called. Berlock dermatitis is due to the nickel. Target lesions on the acral area, where do you find? Multiforme, which is 10. Toxic epidermal necrolysis, other form of erythema multiforme. Right? Then ocular cicatricial pemphigoid. APPG 2011 वाला क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे. हाँ, दिस इज लिटिल क्रूअल क्वेश्चन. पेम्पिगस वल्गैरिस बुलस पेम्पिकॉइड के बीच में फर्क क्या है बोले तो थोड़ा बोल सकते. ऑक्यूलर सिकैट्रिकल पेम्पिकॉइड पहले बार सुन रहे तो वेयर डू यू फाइंड? इट अकर्स इन यंग फीमेल्स. इट लीड टू सिकैट्रिकल सिम्ब्लेफेरॉन and we use tear drops in order to maintain the eye, and any race distribution is same. So in stage 1 there is a conjunctival injection and scarring, then conjunctival scarring, and then there is a symblepharon formation, and ultimately cornea also becomes scarred, and you need to give immunosuppressive therapy, and to manage those dry eyes you need to give lubricant. But this is little outlier, not regular wala question. Then this another example of ocular cicatricial pemphigoid stage 2 is what you are able to see. Then tinea capitis 2011 wala question. Dermatophyte is a high yielding topic na. So what is your answer? Microsporum canis is the one which basically causes the tinea capitis. Trichophyton and Microsporum genera are the ones. Which is a 0.5 centimeter diameter on the surface of the skin containing fluid. So language of dermatology के ऊपर क्वेश्चन आ गए ना 2011 में. 5 क्वेश्चंस क्या आया एवरी ईयर देखेंगे. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then you will know importance of high yield areas. A vesicle is elevated fluid filled skin lesion less than 0.5. Greater than 0.5 हो जाता है बुल्ला. Herpes genitalis, what is the definitive diagnosis? Come on. Tissue pathology. Most definitive is different from most sensitive, blah blah blah. Tissue culture is operator dependent, but it will yield positive results within 48 hours. That's the reason. Then what is wrong about lupus vulgaris? So lupus vulgaris is what? Tuberculosis. It is not TB. So lupus vulgaris is not same as lupus erythematosus is the story. So it causes scarring, apple jelly nodules, caseating granulomas. They are all the features of TB of the skin. Oro-oculogenital syndrome. Abhi 2012 ka question, 5 questions. Let us see what they asked. What is your answer? Oro-oculogenital syndrome. Oculo is also there, no? Only anogenital bole to zinc. It is riboflavin deficiency. That is called APPG. Right? To read is different. To hit the bullseye in exam is slightly different. But if you read, chances of hitting the bullseye will increase, that's all. But there is no guarantee. तो इसलिए don't regret that मैं इतना पढ़ा हुआ है तो कितना अच्छा होगा. We don't know कितना अच्छा होगा. So that is the reason. Then in the treatment of acne, what is accept? We use tazorotene, adapalene and isotretinoin, not methotrexate. Once more, acne, treatment of acne, बहुत बार इतिहास में पूछा गया. So adapalene is a third generational topical retinoid primarily used in the treatment of mild to moderate acne, is what you need to remember. Chancroid, 2012 May, one question, predictable. What is not true? Not true about it? About the chancroid? What is not true about chancroid? The overlying skin is erythematous, bubo is multilocular, opening of the sinus can enlarge, they are all true. But if the bubo ruptures, it leads to multiple sinuses, not single sinus. That is what you need to basically understand. Now, Psychosis barbae. What is the most commonly involved organism? Fungus or bacteria? Barber's itch. Caused by Staphylococcus and Propionibacterium. So, yeah. On woodlamp exam, Taenia versicolor, what is the color of the fluorescence? ये तो आपका मतलब B है. A golden yellow fluorescence shows Taenia versicolor infection. Brightish yellow-green indicates Trichophyton conii. Pink or pinkish orange fluorescence is shown by Porphyria cutaneous tarda. Pale green color indicates Trichophyton conii. Aqua green indicates bacteria like Pseudomonas. And a bright yellow-green is shown by Microsporum. Woodland में इतना लंबा story है. Yeah. What is wrong about Pomfilix? ये तो थोड़ा outside our syllabus. Never asked before 2000 and suddenly. So what is Pomfilix? पहला वो बात करेंगे. Pomfilix is also called dyshydrosis. Bisycobullous hand eczema is the name. It is also called dyshydrotic eczema. It is an acute, chronic or a recurrent dermatosis of the fingers, palms and soles. There is a sudden onset of many deep-seated pruritic lesions with a clear vesicle which looks like a sago grain appearance. It is called as. So, it appears on the tips and the sides of the fingers. The blisters can itch and you can see the characteristic tapioca or a sago grain vesicles on the sides is what you are able to see, and that is the story of what you call form follics. So let us go back to the question. Shadow green is there, it is pleuritic, it involves palm and soles, that is all true, but that doesn't come under exogenous eczema. Exogenous eczema means contact dermatitis, allergic dermatitis and all those things. Then doctor, acetic acid, now comes the 2013 wala questions. Let us see what are the 5 questions asked. Acetic acid is used to detect the subclinical genital infection caused by. What is your guess? Acetic acid. Huh? Herpes simplex, huh? Human papilloma, superb. Given big clap. Huh? आवाज नहीं सुने दे रहे थोड़ा good, right? So exam is what? Exam is not line to line reading and representing that in exam. Exam is about guessing, and that guessing will come if your general preparation, general health अच्छा है तो infections नहीं आते. अगर already diabetic, immunocompromised, did not study high yield topics means every question looks like a guess. I mean, got my point? Huh? So that is the purpose of preparation, not to exactly see the reflection of that in exam hall. Groove sign. So already this was a previously asked September 2002 में पूछा. तो lymphogranuloma venidum. Koebner phenomena is not seen in. It's a controversial MCQ actually. It is seen in all actually. Psoriasis, vitiligo, lichen planus and also SLE. Psoriasis, pityriasis, rubra pilaris, lichen planus, lichen nitidis, SLE, necrobiasis, lipoidica, Kaposi sarcoma, lichen sclerosis से सब चीजों में मिलता. So that is the reason we call it as 2014 का controversial question. कभी कभी examiner भी थोड़ा creativity try करता है और wrong question frame हो जाता. In a child bubonic plague, bubos कहाँ रहता? Common sense. इसके लिए भी preparation की जरूरत नहीं है. Most common sign. Tuberous sclerosis. One question on neurocutaneous syndromes previously asked. So chagrin patch, ash leaf macula, adenoma sebaceum. At most अभी 2016 में क्या हो सकता है इसका इमेज देता. तो अभी जरा देख लो. Ash leaf macula ऐसा होता है. Hypopigmented leaf like macule. Chagrin patch typically ऐसा होता है. Adenoma sebaceum ये होता है. So this he will show in the exam hall. Then doctor, external exophytic anogenital warts, इसको treat करने के लिए these are all used in the treatment except, what is your answer? Tacrolimus we don't use. इंचेशन आ जाना आंसर के ऊपर है. तो इमिक्विमोड, पोडोफिलिन, क्रायोथेरेपी ये सब का इस्तेमाल करते. देन वंस मोर 2014 में 2 मरतबे हुए. एक पेपर आउट होने के बाद वर्षन 1 वर्षन 2 2 वर्षन है. तो प्राइमरी साइट ऑफ इंफेक्शन ऑफ गनोरिया इन फीमेल्स इज that is where finest aspects of APPG, endocervical canal. But still it is the easy MCQ वाला. ये wrong हो गए तो खत्म, 300-400 ranks पीछे चले जाते. Infection is often asymptomatic and the primary site of involvement is endocervical canal, is what you need to appreciate. Atopic dermatitis is characterized by all these features. So onset is typically either infantile up to 2 years or childhood 2 to 12 years or in the adult stage from the puberty onwards is what you have to basically remember. Once more 2014 wala question. Porphyria cutanea tarda. So what is except about it? इसमें हाइपर ट्राइकोसिस होता है और सन एक्सपोज्ड एरियाज में ब्लिस्टर्स होता है और स्किन फ्रेजिलिटी डॉर्सल सरफेस के ऊपर ही होता है और हाइड्रोक्सी क्लोरोक्विन का इस्तेमाल भी करते हैं. एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग ऑल फोर आर ट्रू. सो देयर इज ए इरोजन ब्लिस्टर, वेयर इज इट? डॉर्सल सरफेस के ऊपर. एंड ऑनाइकोलाइसिस etc. And then doctor, we use chloroquine, hydroxychloroquine, venesection, they're all used in a part of the clinical management. आ गया leprosy, our high yielding topic. So 10, 11, 12, 13 में नहीं दिया मगर 14 में दिया, हमारा favorite topic. 5 questions only, no? That's a challenge. हाँ, regarding leprosy. एनेस्थेटिक स्किन लीजन्स होता है, वर्स प्रोग्नोसिस ऑफ लेप्रोमेटस लेप्रेसी होता है, टेस्टिकुलर एट्रोफी होता है. ये तीन सिंपली बाय एलिमिनेशन यू कैन चूज द आंसर बी. यू मे नॉट नो रियली ब्लाइंडनेस इज ड्यू टू व्हाट, बट यू कैन एलिमिनेट इट इजिली. देन a woman came with dysuria, vaginal discharge, gram-negative intercellular diplococci. So, how do you want to treat her? Dysuria, vaginal discharge, gram-negative intercellular diplococci is equal to gonococci. Gonococci का ट्रीटमेंट क्या होता है डॉक्टर? क्या होता? सिप्रोफ्लॉक्सिन और सेफ्ट्रिएक्सन होता. ओके, गनोरिया में वो तो ट्रेपोनिमा नहीं है, क्लेमिडिया नहीं है. एंड दिस इज द स्टोरी अबाउट बैक्टीरियल वेजिनोसिस. ऑप्शन डी. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. सिंपल क्वेश्चन. देन डॉक्टर, which is a non-nuclear, actually this is a general medicine question. Non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Diadenosine is a nucleoside analog of guanosine and it differs from all other nucleoside analogs because it does not have any regular bases. Instead, hypoxanthine is attached to the sugar ring. So, there is a reason it comes under non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors. Then, so non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase include Dilaverdin, Efavirenz, Nevirapine. In this वो नहीं है ना. Nelfinavir is there, eh? Nevirapine, Efavirenz is not there. Diadenosine is protease and yeah. Even diadenosine is a nucleoside analog actually, which is a non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Na? Okay, I think some change of the question frame. Anyway, but once more, HIV drug classification is a very high yield area. Burley's ulcer, Mycobacterium. If Mycobacterium is there in the options, that should be the answer. That is the rule. Then regarding Pomfolix, ये छोड़ो मत यारो. Pomfolix is a favorite topic. Even ABPG 2015, 2012, emerging topic, high yield topic in ABPG question bank. They are pruritic. Who said they are not pruritic? At least those who wrote 2012 entrance and still trying in 2015 should not do mistake 2 times. We use topical steroids. They have a history of atopy, tapioca, like vesicles are found. So this is the typical sago green appearance. Then doctor, APG 2015 question. IgG immunofluorescence a dermoepidermal junction like a band in both involved and uninvolved skin. What is your answer? IgG immunofluorescence a dermoepidermal junction. DLE SLE. So if it is involving even in the skin uninvolved by the rash, then SLE may underlie this phenomena. If it is involving only the skin involved by the rash, then that is DLE. DLE में only lesional area, perilesional area also दिखाई दे रहे हैं तो SLE है. ये तो थोड़ा वेदांतिक लेवल क्वेश्चन, मामूल आम आदमी के लिए तैयार नहीं हुआ ये क्वेश्चन. इम्यूनोफ्लोरेसेंस में भी स्टडीड IgA बोले तो डर्मेटाइटिस herpetiformis, फिश लाइक पैटर्न बोले तो फेम्पिकस वल्गैरिस, लीनियर बैंड लाइक बोले तो बुल्लस पेम्पिगॉइड. पढ़ के जा रहे डर्मेटोलॉजी का, वो भी एक हफ्ते का पोस्टिंग वाला बैकग्राउंड में 5 घंटे पढ़ के गए हम एंट्रेंस को. तो इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स पूछे तो किसको मालूम होता है DLE SLE के फर्क. व्हाट इज दिस? इट इज सिफिलिटिक गम्मा. देन डिफ्यूज हाइपरपिगमेंटेशन सब चीजों में होता है एक्सेप्ट which is not a hyperpigmentation but a hypopigmented state. Out of all this is the examiner's question. What you have never heard, doctor? That is the answer. General rule is a known unknown is better than an unknown unknown. Right? So Hermansky, Pudlak, they will be typically having platelet abnormalities along with oculocutaneous albinism. The combination is called Hermansky-Pudlak. वो हाइपोपिगमेंटेड. पोलियोसिस बोल के एक क्वेश्चन आया ना इसके पहले, उसका दीदी है. देन what is this lesion where you are having skin nail involvement along with skin with scales? Psoriasis. I think easiest question on the earth. कुछ भी नहीं है. फर्स्ट टाइम क्वेश्चन पेपर जो 1-2 दिन प्रिपेयर होके आए हुए बंदे भी आंसर कर सकते हैं. Psoriasis. Then you have got a lesion on the penis. So what if this patient comes with a complaint of extramarital sexual contact, he has no pain, then what is which statement is true? Pain नहीं बोले तो क्या होता? Syphilis. So that is the reason a single dose of penicillin मारो, syphilis को treat करो. Simple question. But one question on syphilis, chancroid, वो सब पढ़ना. So groove sign is in LGV, Haemophilus ducreae is chancroid, and knee joint arthritis development is in return. Now a lesion has been shown to you. Based on the picture depicted, what is accept about this? What are these vesicles? How are they dermatomal pattern? So what is your answer? Zoster. So zoster के बारे में बोलो. Answer is early treatment with valcyclovir will help. Past history of varicella, commonest and troublesome complication is neuralgia. ये सब सही बात है. रामसे हंट सिंड्रोम में क्या होता? Facial nerve होता, not fifth nerve. So it affects the facial nerve near one of the ears. Then ये organism क्या है? Our high yield topic है. Sarcoptes KBI है. Next time they will show you pediculosis pubis. So you should know. जरा जाके बुक में ये सब ऑर्गेनिजम्स कैसे दिखाई देगा शादी.com के ऊपर. So be very sure. Then now a lesion has been shown to you. What are they suggestive of? Multiforme. Too suggestive. Examiner is too suggestive. So that is the story, doctor.